Here at home today, a Houston area pastor made his first official court appearance. Robert Carter is accused of raping a child hundreds of times for more than a decade.
Our Michelle Choi is at the Harris County Criminal Courthouse with the very latest.
We first told you about the disturbing allegations Robert Carter is facing yesterday. Today, the state requested his $200,000 bond remain in place, and the judge agreed. Handcuffed and wearing an orange jumpsuit, Robert Carter was brought into the courtroom around 10 this morning. The 39-year-old suspect is charged with continuous sexual abuse of a child, a first-degree felony, and continuous sexual assault of a child. He's accused of raping a family member more than 600 times over the course of 12 years, according to prosecutors. They say the abuse began when the victim was 7 years old and lasted until she was 19 and took place at Carter's home, churches he worked at, and a grocery store parking lot. They say the victim secretly gave birth to Carter's baby in a closet when she was 16 years old, and Carter dropped the baby off at a fire station in 2018. On that same day, KHOU covered a story about a firefighter finding a baby that was left at a fire station. No word yet if this is the same child. Today in court, we learned the victim's child has since been adopted. The prosecutor in charge of the case tells us DNA testing comes next to determine the paternity. The prosecutor didn't talk to us on camera, but she did confirm Carter is a pastor and the victim's family member. She also gave us a statement saying, "Too often people in positions of power abuse and take advantage of people that trust them. I look forward to allowing the complainant's voice to be heard." We also heard from Carter's attorney.
When he learned of the charges, he turned himself in so he can clear his name. And we'd ask before there is a trial that he be presumed innocent, that people can keep an open mind and hold to him the constitutional presumption of innocence.
Bond conditions were also set for Carter. If he makes bond, in addition to wearing a GPS monitor, he's to have no contact with the victim, and he has to stay away from children, including his own, for now. Back to you.